Hi friends, welcome to Answer. So today it is the 97th episode in space series. So this is the first video of me after the new year. So it's 2024 right now. So today we're going to discuss about quantum mechanics and how they are very much related with astrophysics and how they help astrophysics as well. So let's begin. So you already know quantum physics. A part of quantum, that means it is just a part of science as we know it. Classical physics is what applies for the normal world, like what we see today, some bigger atoms, molecules, things like that. But quantum physics is a form of physics which applies to very small things like energy, things like photons, electrons, protons, quarks, things like that all come under quantum physics because the normal theory of physics does not apply to them. Only quantum physics applies to those things. For us, quantum physics does not apply. Yes. So that is basically what quantum mechanics is, and quantum mechanics are all the mechanics inside of quantum physics. Yes, so that's just simply what these are. So let's begin with some other similarities. So first is molecular things, gravity, things like that. Because by sensing gravitational waves and ripples, we can find out if there are black holes nearby or any neutron stars orbiting other neutron stars. So you see, when black holes or neutron stars are going to go spinning like this, orbiting each other, just exactly like this. So think if your fish are neutron stars, both of your fish. So they will be sometimes you can find these neutron stars or black holes just rotating like this very quickly. So this rotation will create big gravitational ripples, waves coming out of the rotational area, the binary system of the black holes / the neutron stars. Yes, so we can sense these things happening by the gravitational waves coming off them. So this can be very helpful in finding new neutron stars or even black holes. And many other molecular things are also help very much inside astrophysics. Yes, so we can find out what a star does. Yes, so the way we found out how stars even produce their energy and light is through finding out through quantum mechanics. Yes, quantum mechanics helped us to even know the basic thing of how stars create their energy. Yes, so next, quantum entanglement. So quantum entanglement explains many things in astrophysics. But first, what is quantum entanglement? So we're delving more into quantum physics right now instead of astrophysics as a whole. So quantum entanglement is a fact from which two particles, no matter how far away, that means they could be pretty far but not very far, or else the connection will be gone. So even if they're pretty far or very close, they'll somehow be connected with each other. So they'll be interconnected in such a way they'll be kind of proportional with each other. If this one moves up a bit, this one will also move just a bit up. And if this one rotates a bit, this one will also rotate. It's not one way, it's two ways. And again, more than two particles can be there. That means there could be a lot of particles inside one single connection. Yes, so that means if this one rotates, goes up, all of these will go up. Yes, things like that. Or other properties, if other properties also change, the exact same properties for the other ones will also change accordingly. Yes, accordingly to this one, that is. Yes, so quantum entanglement. So this same principle, which is a basic of quantum physics, may also explain many other things of astrophysics. Yes, many other things which we don't exactly know of. these can act as a theory in the meanwhile. Yes. So next is nuclear fusion. The same thing which causes us to live is all because of one single basic quantum principle, and that is quantum tunneling. Yes. So I'll just explain quickly. If there are energy barriers between protons, so a proton needs to go through the energy barrier. Sometimes this is a rare chance, but the proton or any other particle like electrons or neutrons, they will suddenly pass through the energy barrier. That means suddenly it will go through it, even if there is no other side. Yes. So normally in normal physics, atoms cannot go through walls, atom walls, kind of like that, and we cannot go through walls as well. But in this, there's a very small chance of a proton or these particles just passing through energy barriers. So this is quantum tunneling. Sorry. So this quantum tunneling is the sole reason why nuclear fusion exists. Not exactly sole, but yeah. So because of the energy being produced in stars, the pure large sheer amount of energy being produced from nuclear fusion and stuff like that, there will be hundreds, no billions of energy barriers being produced every second. Yes. So for nuclear fusion to happen, atoms need to be close together. That means just the nucleuses of the atoms need to be close together and finally just mix together to form another nucleus. So for that to happen, they need to pass the energy barriers, and to do that, they need to do quantum tunneling. And quantum tunneling is a basic rule of quantum mechanics. So this is how quantum mechanics also helps astrophysics and everything as we know today, because without quantum tunneling we won't exist. Yes. So yeah, this for today about how these quantum mechanics kind of help in astrophysics, in explaining astrophysics. Bye.